Hello and welcome back to the Car Ghost channel. I know the sound would suck because I don't have a microphone on, but I'm doing this short car spotting episode because we're in the Borgata casino in Atlantic City and we gotta check the parking lot. And I think there are some cool cars here. And here is Slate with his eyes cleared already from the last episode. I couldn't install the headlight lamps because they're at home and I'm in Atlantic City gambling. So let's go ahead and do this little episode. We're now gonna start from the valet, and nothing spectacular at this moment besides, S-Class and E400 convertible. We're gonna come back to this later on because it's Saturday and I'm pretty sure some cool car will be here. But I know of a different parking lot that there are a few interesting cars at. Now that's what I was talking about. Look at this gorgeous GTR. Beautiful Liberty Walk GTR with a carbon fiber hood. Look at the splitter and just look at the freaking massive wing on this. You probably can't hear me because it's super windy, but look at that. Look. I just want to know, would you do that to your GTR? Would you put the Liberty Walk kit? I know I would. I'll probably not put it on my Lamborghini, but GTR, yeah, they're mighty fine. I told you the parking lot rocks. Alright, quickly moving from the GTR, which is gorgeous by the way, to something that I've never seen before. This Tesla Model 3. And this is the first affordable car from Tesla. It looks nice. It's the first one I see. Mind you, it's driven by a veteran. Good luck gambling, mate. I'm sure we're gonna need it because I gambled too. And from one gambler to the other, good luck. I actually like the car, never seen it before. Also, if the audio is too windy, sorry, I didn't bring the mic. And a real quick view of this Jaguar F-Type S. I like it. Come into my life, you beautiful car. In a few more minutes I'm gonna go and check back with the valet and see if anything else is around. Also I'm gonna check the other parking lot, which is, I don't know if you can see it from the sun, but it's right there. A lot of stores. Let's see if there is something nice in it. Now we get again a lot of wind noise, but as I said, we're gonna be back at the valet parking and we have a Lamborghini Huracan, but it's also raining and it got dark. So I'm gonna end this video short and I'm gonna wish you guys a beautiful evening, day, or morning, whichever time you watch it. Hit thumbs up, subscribe for a lot more videos to come. And next video, HID, LED, or other bulbs. Bye.